So hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm working on a new project for my car, actually for my Ford Fiesta from 2011. What I want to do is add Bluetooth to this car. Unfortunately, the car came without this function, without Bluetooth. And in order to have an OEM Bluetooth installed, I have to code my car. So I am trying to find a cheap and easy solution to it. So if you saw my previous videos where I explain how to add Bluetooth to your car easy with this type of cheap Chinese Bluetooth device or dongle, you will see that you only need this Bluetooth device, which has to be powered by a 5-volt USB, and then you will have a jack to jack cable to add it to the aux input of your car, and that's it. But since we are talking about a Ford car, the cigarette lighter in Ford or American OEM cars are always 12 powered with 12 volts, even when the car is switched off. So if I have this permanently in my car, then it will drain battery all the time. So I don't want this. I don't want this. And what I decided to do, you see here a lot of things on my table. I want to take 12 volts from the junction box, the fuse box of the car, only when I start the car. So I will power this Bluetooth dongle only when the car is powered on. In order to do this, I took a normal cigarette lighter car charger, and the only thing I did, open it up and solder the red wire to the positive terminal and the black wire to the negative terminal, and put some isolation tape on over it. Anyway, this will be behind the glove box, so we cannot see it, so no problems there. In order to take the 12 volts positive from the car, I bought this cheap bypass, fuse box bypass. What this does is you can stick it in the fuse box where you have a 12 volts a 12 volt positive wire, and take that positive only when the car is started up, and you will have with the red wire the positive, and we will solder this together. But anyway, I will show you in my car how I will determine which is the perfect fuse box to connect to. And for this, I have also a diagram with all the fuses and all specific for my car. So I will take the multimeter and I will test all the possibilities and see exactly where I can connect to the 12 volts. So let's go to the car and go with me through the process. Okay, so we are here in the car. We have lifted the glove box, and behind the glove box we have the fuse box. And if we take a look on the fuse diagram, we see here a lot of names of the fuse, and ones are with ignition in front. This means that the voltage is going through the ignition. So this is what we want. The first one, that the fuse number 1 that we see here, it's ignition rain sensor heated front screen. So I don't have neither of this fitted in my car. but I need this ignition function. So in order to test if this is right, on each fuse we have two terminals, here and here, and we can take a multimeter, put it on the DC voltage. We take the minus from the actual car, minus or ground, and with the plus terminal we probe the terminals on the fuse. So if we put it here, the terminal on the fuse, we can see 0 0 on the multimeter. This means with the car shut down, we don't have 12 volts. And if we put the ignition on, now we have the ignition on. Let's hope you can see it. I will put it here, maybe it's easier to see it. And then let's probe. Sorry, it's so hard to do it with one hand. And you can see we have more than 12 volts. So this fuse is what we want. Perfect. Okay, so we have the bypass, the fuse bypass spliced to the red or the positive terminal of the charger, and the negative has to be connected to the ground. We will introduce this in the first socket there, number 1 here, so we will have 12 volts when we start the car. So in order to show you this, I will have to do everything off camera, because in this situation I have only one hand and I cannot do it anymore. But after that I will show you exactly how I did it. Okay, so we finally made it. We have connected the plus to the first fuse, then we connected the minus to the car ground with this nut, and now we have here this charger, which will start when the ignition will start. So now it's off and now it's on. So we have ignition 12 volts in the car, and it stops when the ignition is off. Now everything we need to do is connect the Bluetooth dongle here and the cable with the auxiliary. I will decide now, in order if I will put it in the back of the actual head unit, or I will bring the cable here to the auxiliary jack. I will see. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any suggestions or question, please put it in the comment section below. And if you like this type of video, please subscribe for more videos of this type. Okay, thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.